and welcome back to the Be Youneek channel. I'm Tinker.
And I am Nate.
We're doing my hair. Everyone always asks, how do we get the beast looking so good?
Oh, beast in my level?
Yeah, exactly what I mean. The rainbow on my head, which is currently not a rainbow.
So everyone's always asking how we get it done, so this is sort of like a little instructional video on how we do it. The first thing you want to do is you want to get all your rainbow colours out and you want to lay them out in rainbow order. So you want them to follow the colour spectrum, because if they're not following the right order, then it's going to look weird. Say if you have purple next to yellow, it's not going to look right. Show what colours you got.
Romantic paint. This one is electric lizard.
The next one's voodoo blue.
And the next one's purple haze.
Next one is hot pink. Not just hot pink, but hot. It's hot.
And then we got wildfire, like a raging fire.
This is my favourite. This is psychedelic sunset. So if I say it phonetically, it's psychedelic sunset.
Then we got sunshine. First, I've got to get me Mohawk up.
It helps if you have bleached hair, otherwise the colours don't look as bright.
As you can see, we did mine in advance. You'll probably need someone to help you with the back, preferably a dickhead.
You're probably wondering why there's a bit of pink in the front already, but we did that earlier with the peroxide bleach. Mainly because it's brighter, but it lasts longer too.
And I stay as still as humanly possible while he does this, because this pink bleach goes everywhere and it stains, boy.
Time for colour. First colour. Now you can either choose to use a brush or something, but we're just using fingers because it's easier just to dig in there. Next colour, voodoo blue. Now I do the blue on the back.
Back to green.
Next colour.
We had trouble keeping the back colours separated. We just washed it so it was really soft.
Psychedelic sunset. When you're doing this, you want to try your best to keep all the colours separated.
We're doing a pretty crap job of doing that. Wildfire.
Hot pink. Hot.
Purple haze.
All the colours are now in.
Now we wait.
How long?
15 minutes. 15 minutes.
And there you have it, fully coloured rainbow mohawk.
Oh yeah.
Let us know what you think in the comments.
Hit like, hit subscribe, ding the bell.
And we'll see you next time. Say bye.